So your GM or Chevy Stereo's aux doesn't work. You can feel it's kind of loose in there. You know it's broken off of the circuit board. So we're going to take it apart, see if we can fix it. We got all these little tabs here, top and bottom. Just going to undo all those and slip the front faceplate off. Just like so. Okay, next we need to get out all these tiny little screws. I'm not sure what size they are, but they're very, very small, and I don't have a socket small enough for them. So I'm just going to use a little needle nose pliers and just get in there and turn them out. Next we're going to pop off these tabs as well. So these 4 pieces were cracked off. You can see the solder was cracked, and that's why we were having problems with the aux cord. I just got finished soldering some more on there. I didn't show you the process of me soldering because my soldering is absolutely horrible. If you know how to solder, I'm sure you'll be fine with that. And then we just throw everything back together, put the stereo back in the truck, and it should work. Okay, so the radio's back in the truck and it's working great, and the music's playing through that aux cord, so everything should be good. If you're trying to figure out how to remove the stereo, there's lots of other videos out there. I might link one in the description for you guys.